students, welcome to another new video on Apna College Net YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. Students, this is that time of the year when you are preparing for different management entrance examination like CAT, XAT, NMAT and all. And I have taken this opportunity to introduce you to the Christ College. It is a well-known college among the MBA fraternity, right? So today in this video, we will talk about the Christ College overall, what is the status, what is the UGC approval. We will talk about the different MBA programs offered across campuses of Christ University, and along with that I'll try to explain you what are the eligibility criteria. So if you are looking forward towards Bangalore for your MBA program, this video is a must watch for you. In order to watch this kind of informative video, I will urge you to like and subscribe and follow Apna College Net YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for new video updates and alert, and share this channel link with your friends.
Christ deemed to be university was established as Christ College in 1969. It undertook path-breaking initiative in Indian higher education with the introduction of innovative and modern curriculum, insistence of academic discipline, imparting holistic education, and adoption of global higher education practices. University Grants Commission of India has conferred autonomy to Christ College in 2004. In 2006, Christ was identified as an institution with potential for excellence by UGC. In 2008, UGC has declared Christ as a deemed to be university. Currently, Christ deemed to be university is accredited with A+ grade by NAAC. As per NIRF ranking 2025 published by Government of India, Christ has secured 96th rank among overall ranking. As per World University Ranking for Innovation 2025, Christ University has secured a global ranking of 101. The MBA programs at Christ main campus are only NBA accredited. Christ deemed to be university is operating across 6 locations. Bangalore Central Campus located on Hosur Road, Bangalore Banerghatta Road Campus, Bangalore Kengiri Campus, Bangalore Yashwantpur Campus, Delhi NCR Campus located near Ghaziabad, and Pune Lavasa Campus. Let us start with the main campus of Christ deemed to be university. Christ deemed to be university is offering Masters of Business Administration with 6 trimesters. It has a regular curriculum that combines core courses and wide range of elective courses. This program is offered at Bangalore Central Campus. Christ deemed to be university is offering MBA along with MBA THWS Germany. This program is also offered at Bangalore Central Campus, and this unique credit transfer system combined with the opportunity to learn in 2 innovation hubs, Bangalore and Germany, provides students a competitive edge in the global market. At the end, students earn dual degrees, an MBA from Christ and an MBA Business Transformation from THWS Germany. Christ deemed to be university in Central Campus Bangalore is offering Master of Business Administration MBA along with MS from Virginia Commonwealth University, United States of America. This program is exclusive to Bangalore Central Campus. The first 2 trimesters are dedicated to core courses, and in the later trimesters, students have the flexibility to select from 6 different specializations like finance, marketing, business analytics, lean operations, and systems, allowing them to align their MBA program to their career goal. And for all these programs, the candidate needs to be a graduate from a recognized university from any stream, securing minimum 50% aggregate marks. The university must be recognized by UGC or AIU, and students writing their final degree examination can also apply. CAT, MAT, CMAT, XAT, ATMA, GMAT or GRE scores are required. For WMU admission in USA, student must also obtain a minimum composite score in GMAT and GRE. Christ deemed to be university, Bangalore Banerghatta Road Campus is offering 2 years full-time MBA program. The specialization available are finance and international business or marketing and international business. Candidates who have completed their graduation with 50% aggregate marks from any recognized university are eligible to apply for MBA program at Christ Bangalore Banerghatta Road Campus. CAT, MAT, CMAT, XAT, ATMA, GMAT or GRE scores are required. Final year graduation students are eligible to apply. Christ Bangalore Kengeri campus is offering 2 years full-time MBA program with 6 trimesters. It has got rigorous curriculum which combines core courses with a wide range of elective courses. The first 2 trimesters are dedicated to course courses, providing students with a strong foundation, and in the second year, you can take specialization in finance, marketing, business analytics, HR, lean operations and systems. Candidates who have completed their graduation securing minimum 50% marks from recognized university can apply to Christ Bangalore Kengeri campus MBA program. CAT, MAT, CMAT, ZAT, ATMA, GMAT or GRE scores are required for application. Final year graduation candidates can also apply. Christ Delhi NCR campus is offering 2 years full-time MBA program. The specializations are marketing, finance, HR, business, analytics. In Christ Delhi NCR campus, to apply for MBA program, the candidate has to complete their graduation with minimum 50% marks from a recognized university along with CAT, MAT, CMAT, ZAT, ATMA, GMAT, GRE scores are required. Final year graduation students are also eligible for this program. The MBA program at Christ Pune Lavasa campus is a full-time 2-year program with 6 trimesters. With an inclination towards analytics, Christ Pune Lavasa MBA program has a rigorous curriculum that combines core courses and a wide range of elective courses. And the specializations available are finance, marketing, business analytics, aligning the MBA students to their career goal. Candidates who have completed their graduation securing minimum 50% marks from recognized university are eligible to apply for MBA at Christ Pune Lavasa campus. Applicants in the final year graduation can also eligible. CAT, MAT, CMAT, ZAT, ATMA, GMAT, GRE scores are required. Christ University has got Center for Placements and Career Guidance in Christ campus. This cell arranges placement opportunity for MBA students. If we look into the current placement scenario, top recruiters are Accenture, Amazon, SAP, Deloitte, Thomson Reuters, E&Y, Goldman Sachs. According to the third-party website, the average placement package is 7.7 lakhs per annum. The infrastructure at Christ is praiseworthy. MBA students of Christ deemed to be university has access to 6 libraries located in the 6 campus with total collection of 3,32,896 books, 658 periodicals and 23 electronic resources. Along with that, MBA students can indulge in extracurricular activities and sports as well in the campus. Facilities of cafeteria and eateries are also available on campus.
So students, you have got to know all the details about MBA programs at Christ University. And for 2026, their phase 1 application has started, for which I will be coming up with the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Apna College Net YouTube channel. In the meantime, if you want us to solve any of your queries, please feel free to connect on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can send your query by WhatsApp. You can also write down your query in the comment box. You can follow us on Apna College Facebook page and also Apna College 1 Instagram. Visit our website www.apnacollege.net, where we have list of top business schools in Bangalore, in Delhi NCR and in India. See you soon with a new video only on Apna College Net YouTube channel. All the best.